Totally forgot about my M2K. Okay, I'm looking for the Dow. See what's happening with the Dow. We get initial drop. We do the tick fade. All right. I took a big one. I'm up 115, 130. There's a counter trend trade. Back here, I'm out. Bam. $200. 205. I'm out. And we got a micro. And that's up $23.
Trend
All right.
neutral.
So we take off one.
Order filled.
And we leave a runner. All right. I'm taking out the Dow here too.
Order filled.
Okay. M2K. We forgot to add to it. We only done $1. We make maybe a little money and we take this off. There's gonna be a scratch trade, okay? We missed the bigger drop, right? So we don't want to give up anything here. So we take him off and reset, all right?
This stream is sponsored by.
See that guy?
TickStrike allows you to.
This was the magic trade here. I missed this trade here. I'm upset with myself, then chasing it. Got up to my levels up here. And I forgot to add to the micros, right? M2K, I forgot to add to it. So
and you
I can't get to my oh, finally got it now. So do you make anything in those trades? We take $6 loss on that, $10 loss on that guy, M2K, and we make $225 on the YM trades. Rakesh, did you get it? You get a micro, right? Did you get a big guy? The E-mini? It's all right if you miss it, no problem. As long as you get the micros, okay. I will really forget to add to this guy. I don't know why we forgot. I'm busy trying to short this guy. This guy and this guy is the same thing. If we miss it, we should just add to a micro here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get like, you know, $30, $40, but we forgot. But it made them come back to the VWAP. I kind of didn't get. I get out too late, so we lost like, I don't know, $9, whatever. But they're under pressure now. All right. So we do nothing here, right? We do nothing here. We wait for the pivot. We wait for them. You know, this is in a downtrend. This is in a downtrend. This is in an uptrend. So if we look at YM, the YM play was beautiful. We should have loaded up on it more, you know. So, but I decided to take the big guy instead of the little guy because I don't want, it's a counter trend trade at the time. So we didn't want to stay too long into the trade. It's a scalp trade, counter trend scalp trade based on the setup, all right? They're pushing NQ down now. See that? We got data coming out. Oh, we had data came out at 9:15. Right. Industrial production. Maybe that's why we got a drop. I forgot about that. Well, manufacturing output was 0.4. Utilization was 74.9, less than forecast. But industrial production, oh my God. They were looking for 0.95%. It come in at 0.7%. All right. So that was lower than expected. So if we go back here, he's getting crushed. and the dollar should be down. Dollar's getting clobbered. So dollar's getting clobbered. There's no reason for this Dow to stay up this high. All right. But they're not worried about inflation anymore based on the data today. So I think they take all that out, the discounting all of that again today.
Trend filter neutral.
So any even full pop up here are going to short these guys again, right? There's no reason for that Dow to go up. But we can't worry with what we think. We got to play the chart in front of us, right? Well, we keep to the back of our head. Look what's happening. I expect Home Depot. Well, we know why Disney's getting crushed, all right? But look, there's no reason for Goldman Sachs to be up with the dollar down and interest rate down, all right? Follow? Boeing, Caterpillar, Triple M. No reason for those guys to be
Long
up,
retracement setup.
right? But they're up, so once they're up, we don't force, we just take it in stride. We got data coming out at 10 o'clock. It'll be interesting data, right? We got Michigan sentiment, right? They're going to be a biggie, right? They're going to tell us what's happening, how they're thinking about the markets, thinking about the economy, right? So we wait. We do nothing. Man, that RTY was the jam, man. That was the best play for the morning, bro.
Long key retracement
This
setup.
and the YM. This was a nice drop here, bro. I got $200 on this drop. Right? This was the better play here. Come up right to my level here. You see how it like to play these levels? 3 standard deviation, VWAP. See that? Amazing, am I right? He ended up come back down. So, but you can't do nothing here with him.
NQ 1 minute.
NQ was a nice play, but he's too whippy. The candles are too big, right? You want candles like these. Just come down, come down. Get a little whippy here, but
Long retracement.
the dots are following price. Yeah, the dots are following price, which is a good trade. This is what you like to see in a trade. Look at that. Get a sell signal here in NQ. Coming into 945. All right. Let me see YM. If YM get up to 7 to 7, we short it up there, right? YM get up to 7 to 7 up there, we short it back at the high there. All right. I know if you get up there, but we missed this. See how this was setting up? Oh, yeah, this was setting up nice. Look. Hit 3 standard deviation. 3-day standard deviation will drop like a rock. Yeah, these levels work.
Short momentum setup.
These levels are powerful. We want YM to get up like to 7 to 7, 8 to 7 would be the stop. You know what I mean? But it get up there. Or maybe you come to 90. I'll take it off, reset it up here to 90. 88, 90, maybe up there. Oh man, I put on a big one. Sorry guys, I
Order
messed up.
canceled.
I don't want to put on a big one.
Order submitted.
Anywhere here, I think he could fail. What time is it? Right? We could force it, but we fight the trend if we force it. Yeah, mightn't get it. We might miss it. On YM, we might miss YM. Maybe I put it here.
Order
Here to
submitted.
4.
Order canceled.
Take off the top order.
This
Order
stream is
filled.
sponsored
Yeah,
by
okay.
Tick Tick Strike
I kind of went and get it because, you know, from here to here is only like a couple ticks, you know.
Get a free trial.
So I want to be in the trade,
Tick-Strike.com.
right? I'll see how he works out.
Trend filter neutral.
And that's the high, so that's a good trade, you know what I mean? We short him at the high, you know? See, that's the high there. I got to change the color. That's the high for the day. Right here. Need a better color than this. The high and low. So is the
Trend filter
high
neutral.
breaking above the high? Well, you making new high, right? So the high keep going up and down all day, right? So look at RTY. He got speed. He gets up here after my trade here. Then I short a big guy up here. He gets up to this level here. 34, 282. 34, 251. 251, I would add to. If we get way up there, I'm adding to my micros. Am I? Up here, that's the levels we add at. Right? Follow? We added these levels. Then we come into the 10 o'clock time frame. I definitely would add as we get into the time frame, all right? 34 to 80. This is 34. Yeah, we're right here, the 50% level here would be nice. And line up here with this level up here. We look for confluence in those levels, all right? And it's coming to 10 o'clock. Would be perfect. That would work nice. Levels here, you know. RTY. Yeah, he's rocketing up. He got his level way up here. I like this level up here. So you let he do what he got to do. So, all right. But if he get up maybe to 99, 21, 200, 21, 200. Let me look at the M2K.
Short key retracement setup.
21, 200, 50% more. Put it up there, 21, 200. Put a limit order and let's sit there. We can always adjust it. All right? 21, 200. We leave that up there, all right? We look at MQ in the meantime. We're looking at YM. YM getting up to those levels. All right, we want YM up here. 34, 282. Yeah, that would be nice. $34, 282.
Short key retracement setup.
Now it's coming into 10 o'clock, you know what I mean? So might can get all the way up here. Not doing anything in NQ. He's choppy. We look at YM and we look at, M2K and we look at RTY, right? Those are the plays. RTY, we could take one right there, but we could take one here and miss it. Miss it. So can't do nothing there. Let's take a big YM right here, guys. At 25. If we could get it to 25 would be nice.
Order submitted.
Right? At 25 would be good. Gives us a little time to react, all right? I don't know if we're going to get it, but did I put it on? Yeah. Okay. We missed that, guys. So concentrate on this YM here. Gonna add to my YM here, guys.
Order filled.
YM micro. We forgot to add, man. Forgot to add. It's gonna come and fill me. It's coming into 10 o'clock. Micros. This is the day high right here, OR high on the day high, right? The OR high is the open print high, which is the same as the high, right? The only time this level become different is if it blows through over here, then this now will become the new high. Follow? We didn't get YM. Didn't get YM here, guys. Don't want to chase it. Yeah, we got the micros on already, right? We come into 10 o'clock. If it starts to go up fast into my level, then I might just take it off and reset, but because it could go to 51, you know what I mean? So I think we might have to take off this limit order here. It's overbought, right? See that? That's why I'm fishing, right? It's overbought. Well, we're not getting a good alignment. Yeah, M2K is rallying up, right? I'm taking out the YM order, limit order. Taking this off.
Short retracement setup.
We're gonna play it a little higher, all right? Here's what's happening. He's coming here to 251. That's why I didn't want it to, do you understand? That's why I took it off, right? So I'm gonna put it at 252 and I'll leave it. Okay, right here. So M2K. Yeah, we got a limit order up there, right? So Once this guy rally up, M2K gonna follow him, right? So we got him here between here and here. That's good, right? Follow? You just got to get a right fill here. YM is blazing. That's why I took off that level. I'll move it up. So if you come here to 51,
Long momentum setup.
would be nice. All right. Overbought, extended here. That's why we want to get a good fill on YM. Taking a long time to get up there. Might have to take him soon. What time is it? I'll wait
This
till
stream is sponsored
10
by
o'clock. I
HYPOTHETICAL.
think I'm going to take a
Get
big
free
YM
daily
here,
pivot
guys.
points, Fibonacci and market profile levels by
Right.
signing up at tothetick.com.
Trading at 28. He's not getting up there. I'm taking one here,
Order
31.
submitted.
Okay.
Order filled.
I got Phil. I take off the limit order. Now I manage him. We got the micros. If we're going to add to those guys, then we need to come back here and add to the micro, right? Adding one here to the micro
Order
here.
filled.
I got 3 micros. Now we play it back to here. All right, we're playing this guy back to here. We watch the micros. M2K. He's coming up to our level. We got to watch this YM. The YM could come to this level here easy. Right here. He goes there, I take a little heat, right? But he's overbought. So we need the cumulative delta, which is not in our favor. It's flat to up. All right.
Long momentum setup.
Are we coming into 10 o'clock? Let me see if it's going to work, right? If the pivot play going to work. Why I'm going to hit that 51 level, bro. See that? I was impatient. Bam, up here. Look at MRTY. He got a momentum shift. Oh, that's YM. Oh, YM got a key reversal. We missed this. Oh, no, I got to move the chart over. Sorry. Yeah, he's coming back here to this level. That's fine. He gets up there at 10 o'clock. We're going to choose to add him, right? RTY is rocketing. He's going to come up here. If he gets here, I'm shorting it here. I look at the time. All right. YM got speed. See that? The micro. Look, nice line up here. High for the day right there, right? So are we looking for that pivot, right? We're gonna look for that pivot. So I'm taking heat in the E-mini. $55 heat, no big deal. So all right. All right, so we'll take a little heat because we can get up here. See here? Getting back to that level, that 51 level. Hit the 51 level. I was impatient, right? M2K gonna hit your level. See that? He moves with this. If he comes here, he comes here.
Long momentum setup.
All right, but it's coming into 10 o'clock. So we see what happened. Now's where the rubber reached the road, bro. Bam, we can get filling M2K.
Order filled.
Bam. See that guy? See how far I put it when he come and get you? If this is rallying, he gonna come and get you. Follow? He gonna go all the way up to 2204 on our RTY. 2204, somewhere up here.
Order submitted.
All right, I'll leave one up there for RTY, 2204. Right there. If you come, it's fine. Correct? Where YM is at? YM below through my level. I'm going to add a micro here.
Order filled.
All right. So now I got 4 of them.
Trend filter.
That's
bullish.
less than half. Other level is at 82. All right. Then we see if we get a drop. What NQ is doing? Yeah, nothing much. Coming into 10 o'clock. If YM don't break it, then these trades are in trouble. No. RTY, he didn't get up there, right? I got a limit order there, right here. Right here. All right. So see if he come and fill me in that limit order in RTY. I'm playing it off of this level here. All right.
Long momentum setup.
Okay, data came out. 82.8 versus low number. 82.8 versus forecast. This is not good for our trade, but let me see. Hopefully we get a drop. Here comes YM dropping like a rock.
Order filled.
Here comes YM dropping like a rock. I didn't miss RTY. RTY gets all the way to thing. I'm shorting one RTY, guys.
Order canceled.
Okay. So that number was no good. Here comes YM dropping like a rock. Okay. Look what I just did. All right. So I got on 2 of these and I'm looking to get some money out of them. All right. I'm not going to keep them too long. I'm looking to see if we can get a drop. Never got filled in RTY. I chased it and still did not get filled. All right.
Minor long signal.
Didn't get filled. So that number was a bad number, guys. See if we get a drop. RTY, I never got filled, man. Oh, you know what I did? I add to the wrong trade. I tried to short this and I add to my YM. Big mistake. That's all right. So he's coming up to that 04 level. Right?
Order submitted.
I'll put it back up there. All right, right there. Right here, right here. See if he touch me and fall, all right? Bam, should get touched. Didn't get filled yet. Let me see how they react to these numbers. I think they're going to sell it, bro. I think they're going to sell this market off. All right, I'm going and get RTY.
Order submitted.
I didn't get it yet. I missed it again. I think they're going to sell it.
Order filled.
Finally got filled in RTY.
Order canceled.
I have to chase RTY. All right. Well, here they come. Rakesh, you see that? Here they come. I hope you add to your YM. All right. So I think they're going to take them down. All right. So, well, what NQ doing? We're not looking at NQ. Well, he can be the benefactor, right? So if we look, the yield should be, take a baseline here. The yield should be the dollar. What the dollar is doing? Dollar's getting crushed and the yield should be dropping. See? So NQ gonna be the benefactor of the data, right? M2K, where we at? We're gonna have to add to the M2K, right? All right, only down $5, but I'm looking for these guys to drop. All right, so looking for YM to drop. I'm looking for RTY to drop. I'm not going to worry too much about NQ. He might be the benefactor from the bad data, right? You only play an M2K, that's fine. He's at the key level here, right? We expect him to break down anytime, right? Still moving. You see this? Where if he goes up, he goes up, all right? Follow? If he goes up, he goes up. If he tank, he tanks. So the minute this guy turn, he gonna turn. All right? Follow? They're all over the place right now. They're trying to digest the data, right? It's 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, I think I'm gonna short me an NQ here.
Order
Short the one
submitted.
NQ.
Order filled.
Okay?
This stream is sponsored by TickStrike. TickStrike allows you to actually hear order flow in futures, forex, and stock instruments.
See if
Get a free
NQ gonna
trial
give
at
us a play here.
tickstrike.com.
Minor
10
long
o'clock
signal.
pivot, right? Looking for a 10 o'clock pivot. Got a lot of cluster here, though, you know? Got a lot of cluster here. Gonna be tough. Oh, we getting a broad-based
Long-term
rally. Look,
retracement
look.
setup.
All right. Well, I think NQ could give us a play. Let me see what he look like on this chart. Yes, he's coming down. He's
Order
coming down,
submitted.
guys. NQ gonna come down. All right.
Order filled.
NQ gonna come down here. YM is still holding up on that bad data. The bad data should help NQ and take YM down, right? But so far, look here, it's a broad-based move up. But I think they all pivot, all right? So here's the drill, guys. I don't play around. I tell you NQ's coming down, right?
Trend filter
Correct?
neutral. NQ1 minute.
I look, I'm
cost above.
$145. I'm up $200 on a micro, right? Taking it off for $200 win on the E-mini, on the micro. I'm up $37. So see that, guy? You play the thing that's giving you the play. You see that? I'm out of that. Okay?
Order filled.
I took my YM. I'm up $300, $320. I'm out.
Order filled.
290. Correct? You book your profit. It's counter trend trade. Wait for the drop. I play anything that gives me a play, Rakesh. I don't just play one thing. This is not giving me a play. Right? My RTY, I'm taking some heat. But only $20 heat, all right? So, all right, $90 heat, and that's fine. I already make money on the other side. So, if we look at NQ, RTY should come down, or we could make some money. You don't want you got M2K, you add to it, okay? I'm feeling it today, bro. So here's what we do. M2K, we're gonna add to it. Not yet. Hold on. See, now you want to play this one alone, right? Yes, I have 4 dome open at the time, yeah. That's the only way you could play it, right? I got a test dome that I use to test price action to see how fast it is. I recommend that to JK. Open 2 dome, a production and a test one. Try to get a feel of the price action. If you can't get a feel, you take no play. If you get a feel for it, you take the trade, right? You gotta use every little thing that could help you in trading, right? He gonna come down, right? Just a matter of time before he break. Look, he hit my level. He went above the level. That's fine. All right. I said 04, trading 4.5. No big deal, right? So let he play around. No, but I chased it. I think I got it at the bad price. I got it to 2.8, right? So take a little heat, right? But we're not gonna add yet. I think we could add the M2K here. Add the M2K right here.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Add the M2K. I'm playing this one with you. Add the M2K right there. All right. You got this level. You could come back and test it here, but I'm looking for him to break. Right now, he's overbought. All right. Momentum is shifting, but price action low. This is not agreeing with the trade. This is one. This keep going up. This trade gonna go up. All right. Follow. So put a line in the sun up here for this guy here. My line in the sun for my big guy right there. All right. See how that YM work? Nice, guys. Hey, Len, you take any trade? We book. Oh, we still got that one on. Oh, forgot about that one, guy.
NQ 1 minute.
Hold on,
close
my
below.
dome is stuck. Okay, that one is making $18. All right, he's in a downtrend. It's coming into 10.15. I take it off. Okay,
Order filled.
I take that off. Looking for this thing to break. RTY should break here, guy. We got a line in the sun up here, right? All right. So if you take a big guy, that would be a line in the sun up here. You don't want him to break here, but I don't think he break in here. I think he comes back here to this 10 o'clock high here. This 10:30. All right. And then we got the next
Long
level,
momentum setup.
22 to 12. Am I right? So that's our levels. If he beat us here, the M2K, we take it one up here, right? See why I don't lock myself into one guy? I play multiple guys. Once I see the trade, I put the NQ on. I tell you guys NQ gonna come down, right? So
NQ 1
you look
minute.
at the
cross
setup.
above.
Right, you look at the setup, we get the drop, we out, you know. Come right back here. We took the profit. I mean, I got out fast. I wasn't looking for much. Follow? RTY is rallying up there. Hit my level. M2K. All right, here's where I'm going to add a 212. Okay. You just keep
Long
rolling
term
along.
placement
See
entry.
that? Overbought and keep rolling along. Got bright green. All right. This need to fail for we to make some money. This guy here. Just a matter of time, all right? So much heat you want to take. That's the key, right? You know what I mean? 212 would be the next level. But we watch this guy before we add here, right? So RTY is up 38. So I'm done trading the other guys then for now. Right?
Order submitted.
I put them this guy just above here. I leave it, right? On M2K, right? Just above the level in case he come up, pop up to that level. All right. Well, we watching here, right? This looks like it's gonna break now. RTY looks like it's gonna break. So we open this chart. This is the key right here. Let's see. He gonna break, guys.
Order
I think he gonna
submitted.
break. I think I try to get Phil on. I think let's take M2K here. I'm
Order
taking
fi-
one
order- Order
M2K.
filled.
I'm not gonna wait for it up here. I'll take one now. Coming into 10:30. Let me see if we get a drop. All right. Okay. Could be wrong, but gotta break the trend line though. All right. So if he beat me, I'm looking to short somebody else in the meantime. Okay. What NQ doing? Yo, NQ's right. Well, we expect NQ, right? We expect NQ to rally, all right? I expect the Dow to give up some, all right? Here's what I can't understand. This is why you can't worry too much. You use this as a guidance. There's no way Goldman Sachs should be up, all right? This much, all right? The dollar down, interest rate is down. But
This stream is sponsored
that's the
by
big
Tick
level
Strike.
picture.
Tick Strike
But
allows
we
you
playing
to
the chart
actually
in front
hear
of
order
we, so we
futures,
can't
forex,
impede
and
our
stock
will
documents. Get a free
on
trial at
what
tickstrike.com.
we think should happen. Am I right? Correct? But technically, there's no way those guys should be up that much. But, and, you know, Michigan sentiment was lower than anticipated. But you never know what this market gonna do, guys. All right, so follow. So you change the chart. We only could thing. I think I can take a small. I think I can't short Y, and I was going to short NQ. I think I'm gonna short NQ right here for one. If I could get filled maybe around with 8425, that would be 5, be 9. 84.25. I'm just looking for a little drop back here. Not looking for much on NQ, right? Right off of there, come down, come back here, and I'm out. Quick trade, all right? Not looking for much. I'm looking for come right here, right? Right here. Okay, guys? Watch it. I'm up $115, $85, $65, $25. It's all over the place, right? Now I'm down, I'm up, I'm down. See that? That's it. You could jump in there and make some money. We got to be fast, all right? I don't know if you like that type of trading, but I'm out. Only get $20. I let he come back here, and then I try to take it down. The selling why I'm off, guys. Okay, here we comes an RTY. Did you add to your M2K? All right, only down $16. My RTY is making money now. Maybe you got to come down a little more. But you see this, Rakesh, you add, correct? You add to your M2K? Yeah, okay. So now he comes down. He come down. You make money here. See how we play it? So now look at my RTY, guys. I don't mess around. Look, I know what I want to play. I'm up $180, $210. All right. I taking one off here.
Order submitted.
For $150, and I leave a runner. Okay. See that guy? I got my drop. I'm not waiting too much. If I get 200 from this one, I take it off. 200, 190, $390. No, 150 plus 190. If I look, the trick is easy. If I'm playing him to the downside, and I get him to move, right? I'm playing this guy too, right? Did you take the big guy? Cool, good. Glad, bro. Glad you followed me in that trade. Okay. Take a little heat, but it's no big deal, bro. We'll be playing the pattern. He comes here, he break above the line in the sun. All right. I'm looking at my time. I'm looking at the candle formation. We got the drop. We out. All right? We make money. Follow? We can still got this little guy. We could absorb the loss on this guy. Am I right? But if he falls, there's a counter trend. They're all counter trend trades. Am I right? Green dots, you know, all upside dots. Am I right? NQ. See why I took off my NQ? Just didn't like what's happening here. Look.
Short
I was up
momentum
$100 on that NQ scalp. I was waiting for a bigger drop, but I should have just take it and run them, right? So, but I figure when you're so close to these levels, they come and touch these levels, right? And she should be the benefactor of everything that happened today, right? Yield goes down, growth stocks, the pour back into growth stocks, whether for the day, all right, or not. Just run back into growth stocks, correct? And he going under a little pressure and wire. Follow? Okay, now we're up $21 here on the M2K. All right, try to take your profit, okay? Scale out, because if you look at here, he's still in an uptrend, all right? We got the drop, maximize over profit in this juncture here. You scale out, all right? Follow? Take out one at a time.
Order submit. Short momentum
Right.
setup.
Oh, it's how whippy it got, but that's fine. We could just set your limit orders and get out. All right. I'm looking at this art. I'm looking at this wire. All right. They don't let this guy come up and take back. You know, we could always get back into M2K at the higher price. All right. But don't let come back and start beating us. All right. So if he goes up, M2K goes up. All right. So it's coming into 1030. We do nothing here. Correct? Okay, we will sit and wait now, right? I still think this guy, he come right to the VPAC. It's how powerful this level. VPAC, yesterday, 3 standard deviation, and just consolidate and bounce off of it. But look at this. This is going down, and he's going up. See that? How do you play this? So what we do, he come back up here. We look to short it. Okay? Right there. All right. Well, we need to know that the time of day, because he have no higher level. All right, so he gonna trade in this area here. He ain't got nothing to target. Am I right? 2208. Yeah, good level. Yeah, right here, value area high. All right, but we want the price action. Let you come and touch it, and I always like to put it a little above it, for the simple fact that when they get to a level, they usually bore right through the level. You follow? You follow? They usually jump through the level and then retrace back down off the level. Must watch how price goes to a level. It don't touch the level and fail. Most of the time, it bores through the levels. You see? See the here? It's come through the level and come back and test it. All right? They don't just come bam and touch it and fail. Sometimes that happens. Most of the time, they blow through the levels and then fail. So we like to be a little above the level in case that happens, and we get the fill and we in business. Follow? Just a little technique in scalping, am I right? Sometimes you're gonna miss trades, am I right? If you notice my targets, I don't wait. If my target is here, I don't wait. I go a couple ticks above the target to get filled. You follow? See, I do that in the reverse of my targets. All right. NQ is coming up here. He's consolidating. I think I'll take a micro on NQ. That's the high for the day. I'm taking a micro and NQ. Right there, if I get fill. Bam, I got fill. That's the high for the day, guys. All right, see? We indicate the high for the day. This was the high, overnight high. It breaks that. This becomes the new high. All right, we shorted to the high of the day. Is here. 3 standard deviation is in this zone here. All right, we're looking for him to come down a little. All right, and we're looking at the time, but it's fast. Oh man, I took the wrong trade. I took a big guy instead of a little guy. Hold on. I do the wrong thing, but that's all right. The same setup. All right, so here we go. I'm up $45, $50. I'm taking it off. That was not intended, right? I was intended to do a micro. I was intended to do a micro, but that's all right. I make $65, all right? Okay, guys, we sit back and wait for the next trade.